All right, I wanted to add something here. Excuse me. Last video I did on this trimmer, this what was it, the SRM 230 ECHO, just wasn't quite sitting right. The bowl didn't fill up, if you remember. When the primer bulb here is supposed to fill up with fuel, or mostly fuel, and it wasn't. It ran okay. I noticed when I got to higher RPMs, it'd start bogging down. I figured just a little bit of, not knowing when it was used last, just needed something. But I noticed something tinkering here. Let me see if you can hear it. I checked, it's not coming out of the breather here. It's not back there. I took the fuel cap off. It wasn't coming that way. All the sound is coming from right here, from the primer bulb. So I started taking this apart. Let me show you what I found here. But yeah, this was straight from the brand new. You saw me put it on the last video for this guy. So let me get this back apart, because I already loosened this up, the filter housing here, because that's the only way to get this top screw out. And see what I see? Right there. Brand new primer bulb. It's got a little defect in the molding. I don't think it was pinched or anything. I think it's just the way it was molded. Right there. That's just enough to cause a leak. Got extra brand new primer bulbs, so let's put the new one in. See what happens when we get this new one in. Another new one. All right, let's see how well this guy primes now. Oh, that's the way it's supposed to do. See how that filled up? That's fuller than most primer bulbs I've ever had. So there you go, that's working. Let me go ahead and put this back on, and let's I'll need to adjust that fuel screw there. I messed with it the other day, but I'll have to adjust it back to where it was. But there you go. Bad primer bulb causing issues. So thanks for watching.